How to back up your Android phone to Google Drive. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering how you can back up your Android device to Google Drive, including all of your photos, videos, Gmail, as well as your contacts, this is how you can do it. Follow these steps until the very end. First thing first, open up Settings. From Settings menu, scroll down here until you find Accounts and Backup. Tap on it. Then you'll have an option to transfer data for device setup and backup data. So the first one is Samsung Cloud Backup. If you have a Samsung device or any other device, it should have the company's own cloud backup. You can back up data from there. If not, you can find a separate option for Google Drive. Just tap on backup data under Google Drive. Here you can select photos and videos if you want, and you can easily back them up from here. Just turn on this toggle at the top to back up photos and videos to your drive, and other device data like your SMS, call history, device settings, apps and data will be backed up as well. Make sure the toggle is turned on right here. And that's basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, consider liking the video down below and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.